First of all, sabi ko, Contessa, tell your story. One thing about selling today is that everyone has access to social media and online platforms and everybody loves a good story, di ba? So this was my first assignment for Contessa. Share the story behind your business in a way that's easy for potential customers to understand and connect with para ma-feel nila yung kwento mo. Share the emotions behind your story as well as the facts. Hindi lang naman kung why we were established by this, who are the founders, hindi lang yun. Pero yung emotion tungkol sa shoe industry sa Marikina. So for Contessa, her story was about memories of good quality shoes that were the pride of Filipinos. Bago pumasok tong mga mumurahing China shoes na disposable, di ba? So people still remember the feel of school shoes that they used to wear. Natatandaan pa nila yon. And they can connect the comfortable feel of yung mga sapatos na medyo masikip nung una pero lumuluwang siya habang ginagamit natin at nagiging comfortable. Sumusunod siya sa contours ng ating mga paa. No? Parang yung hug ng ating mom. Ganon, di ba? Parang comfortable na comfortable. So, highlight what makes your business unique, sabi ko kay Contessa, and why people should choose you over yung mga competitors mo, especially yung mga mumurahing China brands. After that conversation, nakita ni Contessa na pwede pala akong mag-build ng strong emotional connection sa mga individual na Pinoy, bawat isang Pinoy na customer na gusto yung kanilang pagmamahal sa ating bansa. They love our country so much that anything that is built in our country, they will support. So meron palang mga ganon. At saka sabi niya, I can create pala a story for them so that they will be aware of what's happening to the shoe industry of Marikina. So, she can even attract yung mga potential business partners, yung mga tindahan na gusto rin na tulungan yung sariling atin. So, yun yung first tip na binigay ko sa kanya. Kwento. Ayusin mo yung kwento mo.